Hi Bulldogs, our learning target for this lesson is I can use the suffix ER and OR. So a suffix goes at the, hopefully you're thinking it in your head, end of a base word. The suffix ER and OR mean one who or one that. So when you add ER and OR, it changes the base word from a verb to an noun. Not a noun. So it'll be from an action to a noun. If the base word ends with an E, then you're going to drop the E before you add the ER or the OR. And look, I have a little typo right there, so let's scribble that guy out. So an example of that would be the word heat, which we have a picture of heat right here. Heat is a verb, it's something that's happening. If I add an ER to it, it turns into heater, which is this. And now we've got our heater. So we just went from heat and we added an ER, and now we have a heater and it's a noun. Another way we could do this is we could say decorate. So we have decorate, which is a verb. It's an action. You're doing something. Then, if I want to turn it into an OR word, I'm going to take that E off, and I'm going to add an OR. So I'm going to turn it from a decorate, which is a verb, to decorator. And here we have a decorator. It's a person that decorates it. So that's how the suffix ER and OR work. So next, you are going to get lesson 7 practice, and it's going to look just like this. And so a suffix is a word part added to the end of a base word that changes the meaning of the word. So you're going to join each verb with the suffix ER or OR to make an adjective. Write the new word in the blank and give its meaning. And that's totally a typo on their part. So when you get this, will you cross off adjective and write down noun? Okay? So it's changing a verb to a noun. So please cross that off on yours. You're then going to write the new word in the blank and give its meaning. So I'm going to take create plus or is creator. And I'm going to drop that last E. So I don't put this E in. I'm just going to add OR. So you're going to do that for all of these. Remember, if it ends with an E, you're going to drop that E to add the OR or the ER. When you're done with that, please put this in the inbox and then move on to lesson 8. If you are ahead of pace, you can do book it, which is part of the should do.